Do you want to know the secret to filling Christmas stockings with amazing surprises without turning your wallet into a winter wonderland crash site? Well, what if I told you that you can create a festive, fun-filled stocking for under £20? Stay tuned because I've got the best budget-friendly ideas to make your Christmas merry and bright without spending a fortune. Let's get started. In this video, I'll be using 3 stockings, and these are stockings that I got from Home and Bargains, and they're amazing if your kids love to do art and craft. So you can get them to color in whatever colors they want, as the stocking says Merry Christmas. So it's just a nice idea for the children to get involved. So once they finish the coloring, now it's time to stock up the stockings. So here are the few items I'll be using to put into the stockings. I've got 3 stockings and I'm going to fill them with all the things that you can see there. Here are the items I'll be using to fill the stockings. I've got the acrylic paint tubes, air drying modeling clay, coloring book, some glue sticks, modeling sculptures for painting, Play-Doh, multiple colors pens, wooden happy face beef bat, marker pens, colors, air dry clay, air bubbles, pens, unicorn badge, suction cup robot toys, which were like 4 of them in a bag. So in a nutshell, these are the things I'll be using to fill the stockings. As you can see, I did not go all out, and I wanted something that will be useful, something that they can use on a day-to-day basis rather than something that they can just throw them away after 2 minutes. Then I went ahead and started filling up the stockings with the things I've just shown you. Stockings tend to be one of the most magical parts of the holiday season, especially for kids, and they're a perfect way to add a little extra excitement to the Christmas morning. Other things that you can consider to put in your Christmas stockings could be candy canes and chocolate. You can also add fruits such as oranges or apples. You also use small bags of popcorn or nuts or holiday themed cookies. Other practical and useful items that you can also add into your Christmas stockings could be a lip balm and hand lotion, travel size toiletries or cozy slippers, keychains or small jewelry, phone accessories such as charging cables and earphones. And if you're filling a Christmas stocking for adults or grown-up, you can also try and have like spa gift collection or wellness products. Other items could include a mini jar or jam or honey. You can do chocolate or truffles. You can do coffee or tea bags or small bottles of wine and spirits. You can also use scented candles, hand cream or lip balm, travel size toiletry, cozy socks or gloves. And you can also put some keychains or magnets, earrings or cufflinks. You can do customized keychain or jewelry or small photo frame or keepsake. Gift cards are also an option. Another question that people might have is, where do I have to hang my stockings? This tend to be a place where Santa can easily find them and fill them. And this could be near the fire mantle, could be staircase banister, behind the door or on a hook, or on the bedpost, which is perfect for kids, and also in the hallway or on a shelf. Hopefully you found these Christmas stockings ideas helpful and inspiring. Now you can go ahead and fill up those stockings with fun, festive surprises, all without breaking the bank. Remember, it is the thought and the joy that counts the most. And also Christmas is all about sharing and also remembering Jesus Christ, who was born into this sinful world so that we can all be saved. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you a magical Christmas filled with love, laughter and plenty of surprises. Merry Christmas.